Welcome to So Smart. In this video, we are going to tackle a problem in economics that is the element of economics 2. And the question is about consider the following aggregate expenditure module of an economy. C is equal to 50 plus 0.8 YD and I is equal to 150. J is equal to 250, T is equal to 0.25 Y, X is equal to 350, and IM is equal to 0.4 Y, where C is the consumption and also that is a 0.8 term represent the marginal propensity to consume, and YD is the disposable income, and I is the investment, and G is government spending on goods and services, and T is the total value of taxes net of transfers, and that is the 0.5 term represent the net tax on national income, and X is import, and X is export and IM is import. That is 0.4 term represent the marginal propensity to import. So the question 1 says we should solve for the aggregate expenditures, that is AE, as a function of Y and calculate the equilibrium level of national income. So illustrate your equilibrium in a diagram with AE on the vertical axis and Y on the horizontal axis. Question 2 says what is the value of the multiplier and also explain the economic intuition of the multiplier. The question 3 says you should calculate the value of the export and private saving at the equilibrium level of national income. The question also says that is the government running a surplus or a deficit or a balanced budget? So to tackle this problem or to move straight to the point to find a solution for this kind of problem, we can say let's see equals consumption and YD equals disposable income, I equals investment, and G equals government spending. Let T be equal to total value of tax and X be export and IM be import. And we know that our equation says that YD, we have to express YD in terms of Y. So to express YD in terms of Y, YD will be equal to, that is Y minus T, that which will give us Y minus 0.25 Y. So then we go to our general formula about AE, that is the aggregate expenditure, which is equal to C plus G plus I plus X minus IM. And that to give us 50 plus 0.8 YD plus 250 plus 350 plus 150 minus 0.4 Y. And to solve this algebraically, we will get AE will be equal to 800 plus 0.2 Y. And if we say let AE be equal to Y, then Y will be equal to 800 plus 0.2 Y. So to make Y the subject or to find the value of Y, we will get 1000 for the value of Y. So hence we say that the equilibrium level of national income is 1000. And also to go straight to the point to find to draw for the diagram of this problem, this is how the diagram will be. So the national income will be the x-axis and also the 800 will be on the y-axis, and this is the y is equal to AE line, and this is the AE line. So let's go to the point and find the next question. So the question 2 says we should find for the K multiplier or the multiplier K. The multiplier K, we can say that K will be equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC plus MPI minus the net rate, the net tax rate minus the net tax rate. So we explain the variables that MPC is the marginal propensity to consume and MPI is the marginal propensity to import. And also In the question, the net tax rate will be equal to 0.25. So when we substitute our value into the formula, that is k, will be equal to 1 over 1 minus 0.6, which will be 1 over 0.4, and which will give us 2.5. So your economic intuition, you will say that the multiplier effect refers to the phenomenon where an initial change in spending, that is the investment and also the government spending, leads to a larger overall impact on national income. And also, we say which means that for every 1 unit of initial spending, the total income in economy increases. So let's move to the third question.